welcome back to another video, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make a smooth movement. So we're gonna use this cat here. So first you want to start with the one green flag clicked, because obviously everything has to start with the one green flag clicked. And then we're gonna have a X speed for this display only, and Y speed. These variables are going to be the speed of our cat here, so that we can later move it. So at the start, we always have to initiate our variables, so we can set X speed and Y speed to 0, so that's 0. And then we can have a forever loop, and then for if thens. I'm gonna explain all this code for the if thens. So then add 4 key space presses like this. I'm gonna make mine WASD, but you can make yours up arrow keys. Like for D, it could be right arrow, but I'm just gonna make it WASD. If you want both, you can say or. You can say key W or key up arrow. So you can do that too. When that's pressed, we can say set Y speed to 5. So this is going to be how fast our cat's going to be moving up, because the scratch area here is actually a coordinate grid. So when the Y speed is 5, the Y would be increasing by 5. And then for S, which would be down, it would be -5, because that would be -5, so it would be going down. And then the same thing for X. Oh no, the other way. And there you go. So what this does is it checks if this is a little confusing, so I'm just going to remove that. So it checks if the key W is pressed, or left arrow, or both for you. If key W is pressed, then it would set Y speed to 5. So as you can see, I press W and now it's 5. S and now it's -5. See, now these values are changing because I'm pressing the values. If W is pressed, it would be 5. If A is pressed, it would be -5. If S is pressed, it would be Y speed would be -5. And if D would be pressed, X speed would be 5. So then this is what really makes it really smooth. So then you have to set X speed and set Y speed to, and then have 2 multiplication symbols here. Then X speed on the left and Y speed on the left for Y speed. And then times 0.6. So what this does, we just make it bigger so it's easier to see. So when I start and I press W, the Y speed is not 5 for reasons, because that's how this code works. Because when you press it, it sets the speed to it times 0.9, and 5 times 0.9 is 4.5. But then if I let go, it slowly becomes 0. It might be really hard to see. And that's what makes it smooth. The final 2 blocks of this are change X and change Y by, and it's X speed and Y speed. I prefer keeping them at the top so that it starts a little bit faster, but you can also keep it at the bottom. And the difference between those is at the top, that means it's before it becomes 0.9. So then it'll be changing by 5 and not 4.5. But some people like it to be 4.5. So I'll just keep it to be 4.5. So now as you can see, it's really smooth. It's really, really smooth. And what this value is, as I told you, it's 0.9 times that. and that shows like the friction. So like the bigger the number, the less friction's gonna be there. So like now it's like ice physics. And if you want it to be normal physics, I like 0.6. That's my favorite. It's not sliding around as much. And if you don't like the value 3, you can just increase those. Increase these values. Like 7, 7, -7, and -7. Like that. Now it goes around the same speed and it doesn't have that much sliding. Now if you have too much friction, then it's barely gonna move. So I think around 0.5 and 0.6 is good. But if you want to add ice physics to your game, you can make it 0.9. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow me because I'm trying to get 100 followers by what is it called? July. I'm trying to get 100 followers before July, and I really want that. So please follow me and also subscribe to me on YouTube. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.